Gmail तो आप सब यूज करते होंगे, but do you know that Gmail is packed with features which can make your emailing experience smoother? So let's explore them together. Have you ever wished that you could send an email at the exact perfect moment? Well, you actually can. You can write an email and schedule it to be sent at a later time. Here's how to do it. This feature allows you to plan your communications more efficiently, ensuring your message lands at the time you want it to, without the need for last-minute sending. This is an interesting feature that keeps your inbox more organized. Snooze an email temporarily hides an email from your inbox and places it back at the top when you're ready to read it. This can be useful when you want to address a mail at a later time. You can pick a date and time till when you want that conversation to be snoozed. Did you know that you can translate an email within Gmail, and that too very easily? Just open the message, go to the three dots on the top right and tap Translate Message. That's all. The message will be translated for you. In case you have to send an email which contains sensitive or confidential information, you can use the confidential mode. This is quite simple. Compose the mail, then go to the icon located at the bottom, click on it, choose the expiry date for this mail. Recipients won't have the option to forward, copy, print or download this email. You can let others know when you're out of office or on vacation. You can create a vacation responder in Gmail. When someone sends you a message, they receive an automatic reply. To enable this, go to Settings, then see All Settings in Gmail. Now, go to the General tab. Scroll down and go to the Vacation Responder section. Select Vacation Responder On. Fill in the date, subject, and the message you want to send. There is also an option to only send the reply to your contacts. For this, under the message, check the box. Finally, click Save Changes. Now, the automated reply will be sent to the incoming messages. That's all for today. Keep watching Gadgets 360 for more such useful updates.